Hi, this is Abul Kalam. Welcome to Shortcuts in Aptitude Learning Kit. This is part 23. Okay, so in this question, we will be seeing one of the HCF question and another two questions. Okay, are you ready? Shall you learn some shortcuts? Okay, the first question on your screen is the HCF of two numbers is 23 and the other two factors of the LCM is 13 and 14. Find the larger of the two numbers. What you can observe here is 23 is a prime number, 13 is also a prime number, and in between 13 and 14 nothing is common between them. So this type of question we can answer easily once just by observing the questions. Okay, so the numbers are 23 into 13 and 23 into 14. What they are asking, larger number, so larger number would be 23 times 14, that is 322. Simple. Since the prime number and between 13 and 14 nothing is common, this shortcut is applicable. Next question. Priya had 3 diamonds weighing equal. One of the diamond fell and broke into 4 equal pieces weighing 20 gram each. What was the total weight of 3 diamonds? Most of the students will think this is ratio 1:2:3 something like that, but this question is a simple basic question. The question, they just observe the numbers 3, 4, 20. So 20 into 4 into 3, that is 240 gram, because the question 4 equal weights of a 30 gram will be 80, so into 3 diamonds 240 grams. Simple, no need to think beyond it. Shall we go for the next question? The radius of the wheel of axis of a car is 50 centimeter. What is the distance that car would cover in 14 revolution? Whenever the car question about revolution, you have to think about circumference of a circle. What is the formula for circumference of a circle? 2 pi r, because the car circumference of the circle will touch the ground, that car's tire will touch the ground. So diameter equal to 14 times 2 pi r, 2 into 22 by 7 into 50. So once you simplify it, you will get 4400 centimeter, that is equal to 44 meters. Thanks for watching this video. Kindly forward it to your friends.